I have no idea how my hair looks, to be honest. Today we're gonna take a look at India. I did some research and India doesn't really have an official national dish. And I actually searched for the most popular ones and it wasn't there either. So anyway, today we're gonna make butter chicken. It's not that popular in India per general, it's mostly popular in the northern part. But it's really popular in Europe, and that's what we are in the mood for, and it's almost dinner time, so that's what we're gonna make today. Okay, so since the chicken has to marinate, we're gonna start with the chicken. So we're gonna take a bowl and we're gonna get the chicken thighs and cut them in just bite-sized pieces. We're using chicken thighs because they don't dry out as much as the breast. Also, they have a better taste. Okay, now that the chicken is cut, we will need to prepare the marinade. So we're gonna start with some plain yogurt. This should be enough. Ginger, garlic, we need to chop them. Garlic goes in. We need to do the same with the ginger. Okay, ginger in. Now, in goes garam masala. Turmeric. Cumin. Chili powder. And salt. And a touch of love. That being MSG. And that's it for the marinade. You just need to give this a thorough mix. Okay. We're gonna wrap it in foil and we're gonna leave it for at least 30 minutes in the fridge. So, be right back. So, now that our chicken is marinated, we're gonna head to the stove and start making dinner. I have my trusty old wok, which has been through a lot. I don't know, it has like 8 years or something. It's been through a lot. Anyway, we add some oil. We put it over high heat. The oil should be hot. And we just, yeah, it's hot. Now we just put everything in. And we should cook it all the way through. Okay, so our chicken is nice and brown, nice and done. We are gonna transfer it in our bowl. Now, I saw this awesome thing and I think it smells incredible. We're going to the metal bowl underneath, in the middle actually, not underneath. So I don't need that much, so I just got half a charcoal and we're gonna light it on fire. Eee, kind of smoky. Okay, so it's quite lit. At least it looks like it. We're gonna put it in here. And here comes the weird part. And when I say weird, I mean weird. You're supposed to put over it a teaspoon of ghee, but I don't have ghee, so I'm gonna use butter. It's still going. Okay. And cover it for 10 minutes. We'll see if we're doing dinner or the dinner is gonna taste amazing. While that's going in the background, we're gonna take the same pan, because we need all the yummy goodness that's on the bottom there. So we're gonna add a bit of oil and the butter. Now we're gonna add our onion. And we're gonna lightly fry until it's soft. Okay, so our onion is soft. We're gonna add the garlic and the ginger for a minute. Salt. Use a stir. Okay, now we're gonna add our tomatoes. And the tomatoes are gonna release everything that was on the bottom, so it's gonna give a lot of flavor. To this, we're gonna add our spices, or herbs, or condiments, or however you want to call them. Okay, we're gonna add a bit more salt. And we're gonna let this simmer on low heat for about 15 minutes. Let's see how our chicken is doing. Ooh. Is this too hot? No, it's not. It actually smells really good. Whoa, it smells awesome. I didn't expect that. Let's see. That's awesome. Wow. I did not expect that. Nope, I did not expect that. That's awesome. That's a new trick that I'm gonna actually apply many times. It's really easy and really fast. That's awesome. Okay, now that our sauce has boiled, we're gonna transfer it in a cup. Slowly and carefully, because I hadn't planned this ahead. Hey! I managed to do it without spilling. That's an achievement. Now, that's an achievement. Now, the reason why we're doing this is because we're gonna blend the hell out of it. Now, please be careful with the blender. It's really hot. You can burn yourself, you can cut yourself, you know, all that fun stuff. So yeah, let's blend the hell out of it. Okay. That should be nice and smooth. Now, this is gonna go back in the pot. No, not a pot, it's a pan. This is a pan, not a pot. My bad. Now, we're gonna add a bit more chili powder, because we like it a bit spicy. And then to this, we're gonna add our sugar. Give this a mix. Wait until it's nice and thick. I think I'm gonna switch to a spatula. Hey, much better. Okay, so this is warming up. And now we're gonna add our cream. Bring this to a simmer, and we're gonna simmer for about 5-10 minutes until it thickens a bit. You should be careful because it splashes and it's really, really hot. So okay, so now to this molten lava that's here, which is furious and really, really hot. We're gonna add our chicken. I need to clean the countertop. And we're gonna give it a good stir and warm up the chicken. And we're leaving it on the heat for, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes until the chicken gets warmed up. And we are done. So it's nice and hot, really, really creamy. Now we're gonna need to plate it. So we're gonna take a bowl with rice, and we're just gonna put a bunch of it on top. I like to serve it with rice. You can serve it with naan bread also, but I prefer rice. This. And then, I don't know how traditional it is, but I absolutely love parsley, so just a bit on top. And this is it. And there you have it, my version of butter chicken. Hope you try it. It's really nice. I made it a bunch of times. I'm really curious to see how the smokiness is going to be. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed, and see ya.